Hey guys, just want to kind of turn you on to something here. It works out really great. The tank bag for the Suzuki, it works out really great. It really does. Just box it for the hard bags and everything. It's kind of a pain in the butt sometimes to travel the moment if you're going a long ways. You know, you can carry all your junks in, but see, ride. I do a lot of riding, 300 miles or less during a day. And I don't need all that, but I installed this tank bag kit from Suzuki, and you can install it in like 2 minutes. It's like something stupid. It's just so fast to install, and stick this and snaps in place. You're done. It's not going nowhere. Hey, it's not going nowhere, and to release it, just pull that little tab right there. It comes right off. And over here my GS68R, I got the exact same setup. It takes the exact same mount as the GSXS 1000. So this is really the way to go if you want to carry a small bag with you with all your junk, your phone, wallet, drinks, camera, whatever. If you want to do that, and but yeah, check it out. It's really simple to get more buttons on here. Anyway, check it out. It makes your life a whole lot easier sometimes than trying to shove it in your pockets or inside your jacket. But anyway, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Later.